All right, guys, we got something a little bit more easy on the episode today. So, you guys remember the fad of buying like these high-end blenders? This one's the Ninja. I don't know what model number it is, but Ninja, you know, 6,000, whatever it is. Yeah, I think I remember making about two or three things with it, and it's just kind of sat in my pantry. It's been a couple of years now. But I remember as a kid, I used to make a kind of smoothie that I really enjoyed, and it was just peanut butter, banana, and some milk. That was literally it. So I got the milk here. We're gonna go almond milk. Now, I'm also gonna just say that this isn't for a health drink. I mean, there's nothing wrong with peanut butter, there's nothing wrong with the almond, and there's obviously nothing wrong with the banana. And in this case, for the second smoothie, it's going to be not peanut butter, but it's going to be the berries. So all these things can be healthy, but I'm sure there's other healthy drinks out there that look green and they're adding spinach and all that. It's like, that's not what this episode's about. Just to make a very simple smoothie with something that you probably have sitting around already.
If you want healthy, go get kale. That stuff is supposed to be healthy.
Okay, so when I was a kid, what I did, and this is not this isn't anything that hasn't been documented before, but although when I said peanut butter in the drink, Jesus said, wait, what?
I've honestly never had peanut butter in a smoothie before. Let's be honest. I don't know if I've been living under a rock for so many years that I've never had it before. I don't think I've ever had a smoothie with.
So some of you might be going, hey, I never even thought of that. So that's cool. This video is for you.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna start with, for this drink, we're gonna start with a banana. And I don't put the whole banana in there, like just dropping it in there. I just break it up. So it makes it a little easier for the blender, and probably makes it more evenly.
It also depends on the blender, because like some people, they might not have like a gigantic blender like that.
Yeah.
It's because I have at my house, I mean, we have a blender, but at my house we used to have a, it was specifically for shakes and smoothies. And so it was much smaller, on a smaller scale of what this was. And you just basically put a banana and some fruit in there or whatever and mix it up, and you got yourself a quick drink. You pour it in a cup and boom, same size.
Now I'm a big fan of the peanut butter. I am. So big spoon of peanut butter is how this is gonna work.
Oh yeah.
I might need another spoon just to take it off this spoon. Oh, I'm totally gonna have to do that. All right, well, go down in there.
It's all right. Once you put that milk in there, hopefully it kind of loosens it up.
Oh boy. I might need a spatula.
Actually, that'll work. That will work.
So, you're going in there like that.
Perfect. Perfect.
And I think I'm gonna have to use the spatula to kind of get it off the walls a little bit. Okay. That might work. All right. Now, I'd say if this was for one person, we'll go, in this case, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go about a cup of milk. You can use milk. We're just using almond milk.
Almond milk's just, I mean, that's what they have in this household, so. Which is good. Almond milk is good. I like it.
All right.
Perfect. I think it was on with the, yeah, that way. Perfect.
And I need to plug it in. All right, guys. Let's see if we can make this work.
I'll just get on your
power.
I'll get on your right side so you can see.
And we're gonna go blend. This might make some noise. Yep, all the peanut butter on the sides didn't come out of there, but
it's all good. Just get the spatula and kind of just rub it down.
Yeah. Okay, and then this one has a little spout on there.
Very cool. All right.
That 1 cup mix quite a bit too.
Oh, it does. Yeah.
Look at that.
A little bit over, I would say a little bit over 16 ounces.
Yeah.
Almost like 24 ounces maybe, give or take.
All right. Let's see what it's like. We'll see what you think. Peanut butter smoothie.
Yeah. Cheers. Oh, wow. That's actually amazing.
Nah, that's tasty. It's got sweetness to it.
Yeah.
It tastes like peanut butter.
It tastes like peanut butter and banana.
It's
I
thick,
like that.
Thick like a milkshake.
It's like, honestly, like, because, okay, so I'm not going to say that I've never had peanut butter and banana before, because I have. I've always, like, we've had, in my house, we've had, like, peanut butter and banana sandwiches, you know, and it's good.
I
It's
used to
amazing.
just as a snack too. Take a banana and just kind of cut it in half and then fill it with peanut butter.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. This is amazing though. It's basically, that's what it tastes like, is peanut butter and banana sandwich, just with the smoothie. I like that.
That's fun. All right.
Yeah, quite honestly, that was kind of big for what that was made for.
Perfect. Okay. So what we got here is some frozen berries, and it's nothing special except for how did it get opened the first time. Okay.
That's the only thing special about it, trying to open the damn bag.
And I don't really know how much we're supposed to put in here. I think you could use fresh berries if that's what you have in your house. And you know, you've got a bunch of strawberries that are kind of going bad. You got some blueberries going bad, or not going bad, but you know, you need to hurry up and eat them, kind of a thing. But these are frozen, so I'm just gonna put some random in here.
We'll just say a cup and a half.
Yeah. I mean, they're frozen, so this might. Do you think
I guess we'll see.
Should I use this one because of the way the blades work?
Well, no, I think because
better?
they're frozen, that would probably be better.
Okay.
Yes, you're correct in that.
All right, so we're gonna put a banana in there too, just because I think it's gonna, that consistency that we just got, that's gonna
That's
make
for the banana. Yeah.
So I think it's gonna be good that way. And put the lid on like that. Squish it down. Squishy, squishy.
Nice.
Okay, power is up. All right, here we go for this one. I don't know how long this was gonna take because the berries are frozen, but. Look at that color.
Yeah, not too long at all. You saw how quick it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that actually processed it pretty well.
Yeah?
Yeah. I kind of figured because you're using the actual food processor attachment, that probably would just blend it real quick.
You know what I'm gonna do is I know that it's not gonna take this size glass. It's gonna take this size glass. Pretty sure.
Yeah, that's about what that is. Yeah.
Keep in mind that what we just did, if you wanted this all for your onesie, you can do that.
Yeah.
But we're gonna divide it up. Okay.
You'll need a bigger glass, obviously.
So, see, this has a grid in it. It's
Oh, it does.
It's keeping it from pouring out very well. And maybe it needs to be thinner. See how thick it still is?
Yeah,
All
so
right.
might maybe a little more blending.
So I'm gonna do it more. Maybe that's more gooder.
Hopefully, yeah. I mean, maybe that'll work it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, a little bit more better.
Maybe I should take the lid off.
Yeah, you might have to, only because of the fact that that lattice in there is starting to kind of. Your difficult lattice.
Yeah. That's better.
Much.
Wow, look at that color because of all the way the fruit was in there. The color of the berries and stuff. That's pretty cool. Let's get it all out of this. It'll be easier for cleaning. All right. Well, this one was super easy. Let's see if it tastes good. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's definitely colder
It is. It's much colder.
because of the frozen berries. Oh, that's
You can
nice.
taste a little bit of everything. The banana, the berries.
Right. I suppose with just the milk and just the berries, that would be okay. But I think the banana gives it that thickness.
It does. It really does.
Yeah.
That's actually amazing. I actually haven't had a smoothie in a while, to be honest.
Yeah, this is gonna be real good for you. Be kind of one of them things that this. You see how fast that was to make for like before you go to work.
Yeah, little breakfast smoothie, as long as you're home alone. Not waking anybody up in the morning.
Well, there you have it, folks. Pretty easy, pretty quick, pretty cheap, really. I mean, this can be made out of stuff that's like kind of left over in your fridge. You don't have much going on.
Yep.
Or you can just buy on purpose to keep making this. All you need is bananas and some fruit, and the one that we did with the peanut butter. Just keep yourself stocked up with peanut butter and some milk
Oh yeah.
and a banana.
Yep.
That was pretty easy.
I mean, everybody has milk, I would assume, in the fridge. I mean, whether it be
Yeah.
non-dairy or dairy. you know.
Right, for sure.
So
Yeah.
definitely.
Well, that was 2 smoothies, 2, not 1. You got 1 for free.
You got one for free.
All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe, hit the like button, and
Smash it.
Yeah, smash it, and hit that little bell so that you get notified when we make a new one.
Oh yeah.
And we'll see you next time on Mixed In.
Later.